Well, for our hike today, we're going to Brasstown Bald via the Jack's Knob Trail. Straight up this mountain. Finally, we'll get up to the Brasstown Bald parking lot and then on up to the summit. Brasstown Bald is Georgia's highest point, highest elevation. Well, I made it to the entrance to the Brasstown Bald parking lot, and we can look up and see the summit of Brasstown the visitor center, and that's where we're headed.
How come the bottom of your pants are so dry? Look at mine. I get by the yellow jackets.
At the base of Brasstown Bald. Nice facility and a little general store here. Most people that come up to Brasstown park here at the half mile from the peak and either walk up or take a shuttle. But we choose to hike up Jack's Knob Trail. It makes it about a 6-mile round trip to the summit. So we're going to head up this trail, 6/10 of a mile to the summit. It's asphalt trail, very steep. This is the old wagon train road trail. Leads over to Young Harris, Georgia. We have arrived at the summit and the nice visitor center up in the foggy clouds. Nice cool breeze on top of Brasstown Bald today. Very foggy. We get an occasional clear shot, but pretty well fogged in. Looking over toward Hiwassee and Young Harris. Observation decks here are really great. You can walk around, have a 360-degree view. And down on the lower deck there's a museum, welcome center. Very nice. This is a view to the south. It's our parking lot down at the bottom. Mountain there is the one we came over to walk down through the parking lot to get up to here on the Jack's Knob Trail. I'm glad they had this sign here for distance viewing. I would have thought it was for close-up viewing. With the wind blowing like it is, it actually feels chilly up here on the top of Brasstown Bald. You can see Lake Chatoog down in Hiwassee. This is our lunch spot today. You see our hikers relaxing.